So I'm going to mix up because what I normally do with this, I normally mix up the kids' drink inside. Because you know sometimes kids they just be calling you everything to me, mommy, I want drink, I want drink. So I just set up the drink inside for them and then so anytime they need a drink, they just come down and get themselves a drink. I got this from IKEA. I really like it. I even feel like if I can get I feel like if I can get a bigger one, that would be nice. But yeah. So what I do, I just put it somewhere here. So what I do, I just put it here. Put it here. So when they need a drink, they can just get themselves a drink. It's so convenient. I'm not gonna lie. I really like it. It's just at least they don't have to be. You know, sometimes when you just have your nice cup of tea and the kids are, Mom, I want a drink. Mom, I want a drink. So since then, they don't have to be stressing me out for a drink. They just come to the kitchen and get themselves a drink, which is fabulous. And then most of the time, I just put some cups at the side for them. So yeah. So I've been doing this for a while now, and it's so convenient for me as well. Which one?
First, I'm gonna tango.
So Amira, what do you want?
I got only have tea drinks.
What do you want? Hurry up. Vinto. I'll take this one.
But mommy always buy that. And chippy.
I just put mommy. That's it.
So where we come from?
Start water. Order gas. Takeaway.
What? You want to take away?
So it's takeaway we're doing.
Yeah.
Did you press takeaway?
Yes.
Right. So what we need?
Why?
So what? So what we're getting? Chicken nuggets and 9 nuggets. Sweet chili. And what else?
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
No, no. Wait, is that right?
He doesn't need meal.
My turn.
I'll hold this for you.
So what do you want? Just chips?
No, not only chips.
That's fries.
No. You need to cancel that.
What?
Not now. Start again because it's not.
What?
Oh my.
No, you have to start again because you're not doing it properly.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Take away. Wait. Okay. Chicken nugget. 6 nuggets, yeah? That is good.
9 no good.
9 nugget meal. Wait, don't touch anything.
Good.
Medium. Okay. Barbecue. And barbecue. Chips. Drink.
None.
That
I'm having none.
had. Keep it medium.
My,
Wait. It's your turn. What do you want?
I want a burger.
Happy meal?
Yes.
So we're going for
Yeah.
Happy meal.
Yeah. With
And-
mayo chicken.
Mayo chicken. Okay. And what else?
Toy.
You want toy? And chips.
No final one.
And what drink?
None.
You need a drink. Orange. You got drink. Just take orange. Okay. And then no thanks. And then had. Okay. Right.
For this, someone will order a burger. Medium. Fries. Fanta. No thanks.
I did all the things.
Right. So what? I want. No. I want this. That. And large. I want chips.
The burger.
Yeah, fish fillet.
Yeah, it's good.
It's new.
Yeah, it's new. It's done.
guys, so this is 2 days after I went to visit Kore's, because my fridge need doing, like, yeah, my fridge just not, I just don't feel, you know when you just don't feel you don't feel it anymore, you just need a new fridge, because my fridge has been like 5 years now, nearly 6 years, I'm sure 6 years, because my fridge, I got it when I moved here, so it's been like 6 years, and I've been living here for 6 years now, so yeah, it's been 6 years, so I just think that it need changing. And then because when I kind of like changed my kitchen, so I was thinking, yeah, I need to change the fridge. So like I said, it's been 3 days that I filmed that Kore's video, so now the fridge came the second day because I kind of pay for early delivery, if that makes sense. So they already came and dropped the fridge and they're gone, so I'm going to show you how the fridge looks like. Alright, so this is the fridge, so this is the brand. I've been told that they are new brands, so yeah, so this is how the fridge looks like. It comes with a pump, water pump, where you can get some cold water. And then yeah, so what I love so much about this fridge is this drawer. I love the drawer. You know, like most of single fridge always come with the transparent drawers where you end up breaking or snapping late, you know, after a couple of years, which I don't want to go through that again. So when I saw this one, I really when I saw it, I was really impressed. So yeah, so I think this is what actually made me to buy this fridge, because I just like the way, you know, everything just mashed together and all that and whatnot. So yeah, so this is the fridge, absolutely stunning. I really like it. Yeah, I'm happy with it for now. And it's really affordable, guys, as well. Really affordable. It's not that expensive. Even the large one is not that really expensive, and I've been told they are strong, so they say the products are really strong, the products are really good. So yeah, this is the fridge. Hey guys, let me show you guys the parcel. Let me put this so you guys can see it properly. We review a lot of wigs, so one just came now. I'm expecting quite a lot at this point, but one just came now. I don't know if you guys know about this product, UNA wig. This is the second time I'm working with them. It's a synthetic wig, but it's a good quality synthetic wig. Yeah, so this is a brown. This is a brown color. As you can see, look, it's a brown color. It's really nice. Yeah, look at the, what's it called? The hair, the lace. The lace is so good. Like, the wig is so pretty. Yeah, and it comes with a lot of goodies. Let's put it back. Let's see. It comes with a lot of goodies, guys. Like, a lot. It comes with a, you know, hairbands, lashes. This is, I don't know, I think this is the lace. Yeah, this is a pre-cut lace, and hairbands as usual. Clip. It comes with the clips, 2 clips, and it comes with the pins. Yeah, like, it's really nice, like really nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the review soon anyway. Maybe I'll probably do it tomorrow, because I've got quite a lot of weeks that I've done the video, and then all the video I'm just editing and posting it, so I'll do this one tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm expecting, like I said, I'm expecting quite a lot coming soon. So yeah, so I'm gonna end up the vlog from here, guys, and I hope you enjoy my weekly vlog. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.